Hey folks, if you're shopping for a compact yet powerful Fujifilm camera, the choice between the Fujifilm X-E5 and the Fujifilm X100VI can be a tough one. Both cameras come highly rated, with the X100VI earning 5 stars and the title of best camera in its class, while the X-E5 sits just behind with a strong 4.5-star rating, praised for being a very capable mid-range option. But while they share similar image processing internals, they cater to different users and needs. The Fujifilm X-E5 has a retail price of £1,299, a noticeable jump from its predecessor, the X-E4. This pricing reflects its shift away from beginners and towards more experienced photographers looking for an affordable but robust mirrorless camera. It's also important to note that this price does not include a lens, so the final cost depends on what optics you pair it with. In comparison, the Fujifilm X100VI costs £1,599 and comes as an all-in-one package with a built-in 35mm equivalent f2.0 lens. In terms of build quality and handling, the X-E5 introduces a more premium feel with an aluminum top plate, offering a step up in durability and grip from the X-E4. However, despite its quality materials, the slim rangefinder-style body leaves little room for your fingers to rest comfortably, especially if you're planning to use larger or heavier lenses, which can make the setup feel unbalanced. Weighing in at 535 grams, the X-E5 is light for a mirrorless body with interchangeable lenses. The X100VI, though slightly lighter at 521 grams, feels even better balanced thanks to its fixed lens design and thoughtful ergonomics. We often found ourselves shooting one-handed without issue, a testament to the camera's intuitive handling. Both cameras include an OLED electronic viewfinder, but we found the X-E5s to be slightly less immersive and detailed compared to the one in the X100VI. However, the X-E5 gains several premium control elements borrowed from the X100 series, such as the customizable front lever and a film simulation dial that replaces the traditional ISO dial. These additions enhance tactile control and improve quick access to creative shooting options. Where the X100VI sets itself apart is its fixed f2.0 lens. While some photographers may find the lack of zoom or lens interchangeability limiting, many will appreciate the simplicity and quality of a prime lens that is ideal for portraits, street photography, and general shooting. Meanwhile, the X-E5's flexibility comes from its ability to use any X-mount lens, giving it more range if you already own Fujifilm glass or plan to expand your kit over time. Under the hood, both cameras feature Fujifilm's latest X-Processor 5 and a powerful 40.2 megapixel sensor. This combination delivers crisp, detailed images with rich colors and excellent dynamic range. The X100VI particularly shines with its advanced autofocus system, capable of identifying a wide range of subjects, from people and animals to vehicles and insects. Its real-time tracking and eye detection are impressively fast and accurate, making it a fantastic tool for spontaneous moments and fast-moving subjects. The X-E5 also includes a boosted autofocus system and benefits from in-body image stabilization for the first time in the series, making it even more capable in low-light or handheld shooting scenarios. Both cameras deliver solid performance for burst photography, with the X100VI offering up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter, while the X-E5 hits 13 frames per second electronically and 8 frames per second mechanically. For video creators, the X-E5 boasts better specs on paper, with 6.2K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and Full HD at up to 240 frames per second. However, this comes with a caveat. There is no internal cooling system, which can lead to overheating during extended recording sessions. The X100VI, although less ambitious with video specs, remains more consistent and reliable for shorter clips or casual video use. Battery life is roughly equal, with the X-E5 managing around 400 stills or 45 minutes of video on a single charge. The X100VI slightly edges it out for photography, rated for up to 450 stills or 45 minutes of video. When it comes to image quality, you won't be disappointed with either model. Both cameras deliver beautiful images, and the color science Fujifilm is known for remains a highlight. The X100VI's fixed f2.0 lens produces sharp, vibrant, and rich stills with lovely background separation, while the X-E5 impresses with high ISO performance and excellent JPEG clarity. Film simulation modes are available on both, and we particularly appreciated the new film simulation dial that simplifies experimenting with Fujifilm's 20 built-in looks. There's even the option to create custom simulations to suit your style. Ultimately, the decision between the Fujifilm X-E5 and X100VI comes down to how you shoot. If you already own Fujifilm lenses or want the flexibility to swap optics, the X-E5 is a fantastic and feature-rich mirrorless option at a slightly lower price point. It delivers many of the same capabilities found in the X100VI, including the new processor, autofocus, and film simulation features. On the other hand, if you're after an elegant, all-in-one camera that's beautifully built, quick to use, and capable of incredible results without lens fuss, the X100VI remains a top-tier choice. Both models shine in their respective ways, and either would be a fine addition to a photographer's toolkit. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.